Okay, so today we're going to dive deep right into birding, but not just anywhere.
Right.
Los Cabos, Mexico.
That's pretty good to me.
Yeah, so you sent over some information about a company, uh, Birding Los Cabos,
Yeah.
and we're going to look into what makes Los Cabos so special for birders and what this company offers and, would we want to go there?
Yeah.
So, from just looking at the material here,
Yeah.
it seems like they're offering a bunch of things, local expertise, a focus on safety, and they even combine the birding with other activities.
Yeah, which is smart. I think, kind of broadens the appeal.
Right. And, they're committed to sustainability, high quality equipment.
All the good stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Definitely seems like they're trying to hit all the right notes.
yeah. And they call it a birder's paradise.
That's a bold claim.
It is a bold claim, right? Like, what makes it so special?
Well, geographically speaking, Los Cabos is right at the tip of the Baja Peninsula,
Okay.
where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez.
Ah, interesting.
And that creates a really unique and diverse ecosystem,
Okay.
which attracts a ton of different birds, including some you can only find there.
Oh, wow.
Like imagine, spotting a Xanthus's hummingbird.
What's that?
Oh, it's this amazing hummingbird.
Okay.
Only found on the Baja Peninsula, iridescent green plumage, a really distinctive forked tail. It's pretty cool.
That's awesome. So it's more than just a marketing thing. It's like geographically, ecologically, there's a reason to call it that?
Exactly. It's got the credentials to back it up.
Yeah. So it seems like, they cater to all kinds of birders.
Yeah, from what I gathered, they have stuff for seasoned birders, beginners. They even do excursions for people on cruise ships
Well, really?
who might not have a lot of time.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, and what I think is really clever is that they're incorporating other activities as well.
Yeah. It's not just birding, birding, birding.
Right, because, let's face it, not everyone in a travel group is going to be super in birds.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Some people, like my partner, she's like, I don't want to go on a bird watching trip.
No, exactly. But if you say, hey, we're going to Los Cabos, we can go birding, but we can also go hiking or whale watching.
Oh, now she's interested.
Exactly. Check out some cultural stuff.
Yeah, totally. So they really broaden the appeal.
Yeah, there's something for everyone.
Yeah. And, they seem to really focus on safety too.
Oh, absolutely. They emphasize the experience and knowledge of their local guides. They're not just good at spotting birds. They know the terrain. They know how to keep people safe.
Yeah.
There were even a couple of stories in there about how the guides helped people out of tricky situations.
Like what?
Like one time there was a rattlesnake on the trail, and the guide knew exactly how to handle it.
Wow.
Another time someone had a minor injury, and the guide was able to provide first aid.
Incredible place for birds because of all the different ecosystems. And this company, Birding Los Cabos,
Yeah.
they're giving people a safe and sustainable, engaging way to experience it.
Yeah. It sounds like a pretty well-rounded experience.
Yeah, they have options for everybody. Different interests, different levels of experience.
I think they've really thought it through. Absolutely. Happy birding, everyone.
Yeah.